For all you that says my son was racist, I had a racist comment because my son had a rebel flag in his room. Well, this is what his room looks like. So it don't look like he's racist to me. And we got a rebel flag in our room. And for you all that says that people is racist if they got a Confederate flag, I pity you. That don't mean a damn thing. That's just a flag, and that's a material thing. It don't talk, it don't shoot, and it don't kill. And yes, we got United States flags on our bed and rebel flags on our bed. So, whatever. But that was what the comment was on one of my posts. That my son was racist. Well, my son has dated black girls before, too. Yeah, and my son's only 17 at that. So your little comment better stay out of your mouth and don't put it back on mine, because my children is my business, not no one else's. And what my son does, I agree to it. Unless he's doing wrong, then I don't say a word. If he's doing wrong, I will tell him he's wrong. I don't need nobody on YouTube or Facebook or TikTok telling me that my son is racist. I like to know where you get that at. And I can't help that a white man went into a church and killed a bunch of black people. That's not on me, and that's not on nobody but that man who done that. Now, I can't help anybody that's got a rebel flag. That's not promoting hate, because it can't talk, it can't walk, and it can't shoot. And the General Lee had that on top of it. And it needs to be put back on top of it because it come from a show. And because somebody said that was racist, they had to take it off their car. Well, I think that's a bunch of crap. Somebody needs to get a life. I mean a life. Here's the General Lee. And a car don't promote hate neither. Hate starts at home. You gotta teach your kids different. Hate starts at home. Don't forget that.